Meaning of forgettable.
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 Forgettable. Forgettable means something that is easily forgotten or not memorable. It can refer to a person, event, or object that does not leave a lasting impression in one's memory. For example, a forgettable movie may have generic characters and an unremarkable plot, making it easy for viewers to forget about it soon after watching. Similarly, a forgettable experience may lack excitement or emotional impact, leaving no lasting impression on the individual involved. Overall, forgettable is often used to describe something that fails to make a lasting impact on one's memory or emotions.